In my weekly series on real estate, I'll be talking to you today about government-backed loans. There are several types of government-backed loans. The first I'll be discussing is the FHA loan. Hi, I'm Chuck Wilson, a realtor with Century 21 Deal. There are few differences between a conventional loans and government-backed loans. For one, the minimum credit scores are different, and secondly, you don't need as much of a down payment on an FHA loan. If you have a credit score of at least 580, you can borrow up to 96.5% of the value of the home with an FHA loan. That means that the required down payment is only 3.5%. A lower credit score will require a larger down payment. FHA loans are a great resource for buyers with a low credit scores and those who have not saved as much money for a down payment. While it is called an FHA loan, the FHA doesn't actually lend money to anyone for a mortgage. The loan is issued by a bank or other financial institution that is approved by the FHA. The FHA just guarantees the loan, which is why it's called an FHA loan. Most banks and mortgage lenders are approved to do FHA loans. Congress created and designed the FHA in 1934 during the Great Depression because of the housing industry was going through a crisis. Default rates and foreclosures were extremely high. Lending institutions required down payments as much as 50%. Can you imagine having to raise 50% of the value of your house for a down payment? To stimulate the home ownership, the FHA created the FHA to make it easier for lower wage earners to buy a house. Because the FHA reduced the risk for both the banks and homeowners, home ownership in the United States climbed from 10% all the way up to 70%. Your FHA lender has a few requirements like solid work history. Then the house must qualify for the loan as well. Ask your lender for more details about your FHA loan. Home ownership is no longer the purview of the rich. For those Americans with lower incomes and less money saved for a down payment, government-backed loans like an FHA loan can help home ownership become a reality. The FHA can help you buy a home as well. Call, text, or email me if you have any questions about today's video.